Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the spring Fabfitfun box. Before I dive into the actual box, I am going to go through the things that I bought. They have a whole bunch of different like extended add-ons, like after you customize your box, and then something about they're starting refills or something. I don't know. But one of the things that was like after you customized and got the extra things you want, I don't even know what they're calling it, but I got this Trophy Skin Discover Your Best Self Brighten MD. It is fancy case, but it's like a light therapy. Multifunction eye, face, and neck tool, safe for all skin types, including sensitive skin. And it comes with a charger, and it looks like this. And then you can either do it this way or this way, but then you just kind of, looks like a razor. You put pressure on it and it turns on. And you like can rub it on your face. It even vibrates. Interesting. Probably just got makeup all over it now. And then I guess you maybe do this to like get out to your eye. This feels a little weird. I think it was $19. And I'm all for trying some sort of light therapy. I even have a high frequency wand that I use. Not as much as I should, but sometimes I don't have time. I have been using my red light thing I got in a, I'm not sure where I got that. Either BoxyCharm or Fabfitfun. It's one of those two. That was extra. And then the other like add-ons, whenever I customized some extra things that I wanted, I couldn't decide on one of the things, so I got extra the Pure Iconic Glow Illuminating Body and, or illuminating face and body dry oil. Dry oil? So the packaging is really cool. Kind of matches my sweater. If I, for some reason, I wanted to be glowy. Oh, I got way too much. This is glitter. Be glowy going outside or something in the summertime. This would be pretty glittery. If you had it spread out like on your whole body or your shoulders or something, it wouldn't be too bad. I used some self-tanner poorly the other day. I do look tanner, but then I need a boo-boo. I just got glitter everywhere. It has a light fragrance, but I'm not sure what that's supposed to be. So that was extra. And then the other extra thing I got, the short stories, maybe, is the LED indoor planter. I think the idea of growing plants inside is so fascinating, and I love the thought of it. So this is what it looks like. It's not nearly as big as I thought it was going to be, which is actually probably a good thing for this in this juncture. So, and then it even somewhere came with some basil seeds. Truthfully, I thought I had gotten more extra add-ons, but I guess I was able to control myself. So let's go ahead and get into the box. This is the box, and they're not quite as vibrant in color as they used to be. They're doing more like eco-friendly type boxes, so there's less, they said they were reducing their carbon footprint, but my desk is a mess. I have nowhere to put this. Just gonna lightly set it on my desk and put it on all of the makeup products that are on top of it. Inside there's some cards. The HelloFresh is up to 13 free meals. You know, I'm not gonna use this. There's the code if you want it. There's another advertisement in here for Nourish by Nature Made. It is daily supplements. I think they can't come in like a little package, so you don't like lose track about what you're supposed to take. Personalized, yeah, they like pull out. If you use the code FABSPRING30, you get 30% off something. Another thing in here says Grow Forth, and it is like, $15 off your first Fabfitfun box. I will try to also link that in the description. Here is the little magazine pamphlet thing. Looks very springy. I would love to have some spring weather. First thing in here is something that I need to do to have, people would really say like bikini body. I don't wear bikinis. What are you talking about? But there's like a blow up ball for exercises. Usually the items that they put in here for like exercising, they have videos on their app, the Fabfitfun TV app. I think that's still a thing. On how to use these items. I still have a pink ball that I got in one of my first Fabfitfuns. So I don't know if I'm going to blow this up. Then there's this odd contraption that I think you can do, like, I just bought a Pilates bar that I've been using, and this seems like it does some similar things as the Pilates bar. Ow, my shoulders. So, kind of looks like a flower. Here's a card about Gaiam Studio Select, Gaiam Yoga Studio app, 1 month free. Use the code FabFitFun. So say yes to a better you. That stretchy thing is called a core reformer. And the other thing's a mini ab ball. Yeah, I got mini abs, all right. And that was choice number 2. And it is a $50 kit. There was either a lunchbox, a brow kit, a brush kit, argan oil, slippers, a planning guide, lipstick. Those are the other options. The water tastes disgusting. Next in here is this little like shopping bag type thing. I have some like vegetable bags that, is that right? Vegetables. It's to like reduce the amount of those little plastic bag things that I got in a Cos box. So this kind of goes with that. This is not something I would currently use, but hopefully someday I get to use it. That bag is $25. A whole bag with holes in it is $25. The other things was the Pure Illuminating Body Oil. That's what I picked extra. Something sort of floss trio. I buy those little like stick things. Tweezers with a pouch, aloe infused gel lined socks, and pumice stone. So I think really though, that's probably like my top choice out of that. Did I pick that? I think I picked that, so it's a good thing. Next in here is from Earth Harbor. I have gotten something from Earth Harbor in Cos box. It was an eye cream and I really liked it. And I've seen that eye cream on like Boxy Charm like stores, so that'd be something I'd be interested in buying. Did I see a difference? No, but it went under my makeup well, and I didn't have any problems with it. But this is Biome Brightening Ampule. I would like to know if you know the difference between like an ampule and oil. Like, is this more of an oil? Is it more of a serum? Probably shouldn't have opened yet. Maybe a little on the oily side. I think it has a little bit of a smell. Spirulina in it. I take spirulina every morning. But I can only take 1 pill because it hurts my tummy if I don't. Brighten. That will vigorously brighten and balance for an even, radiant complexion. Still have tried many things to claim that and have not found something that actually does that. My opinion. Like, I feel like my skin's gotten a little bit better over the years, but nothing that I'm like, oh, this has helped my skin so much. Probably the thing that's helped my skin the most is from Derma-E. It's their scar gel, probably. I think that's something I use the most consistently. Is that the right tense of that word? With most consistency. Okay, so this was a Fabfitfun pick. They picked this for me. This is $38. The other choices were the hair clips. Everybody I saw had gotten the hair clips, and I thought those were the cutest things, and then I didn't get them. There was a hand scrub, lip mask, a sipper cup. What? What's a sipper cup? Why can't they all be together in the same thing? Oh, that's a cactus. Cactus shaped cup? Oh, I thought that was like a keychain that coming off of there. Look, it looks like a string or something coming off of there, and I think that's like a straw. Okay, I'm glad I didn't get that. And a body wash. Wait, how did I get this? You get $2.70? Oh, I went ahead of myself. So the hair clips, the hand scrub, and the ampule were group 6. And then group 7 was a lip mask, the sipper cup, and body wash. And I got the body wash, which was $22. It takes me quite a while to go through body wash. It seems like this is a gel. Yes, this is bath gel. I don't know, just in Capri, peach champagne fragrance. I thought it was very light and mild. But to me, like, if this was in a very tiny package, I feel like this would be in a hotel. Like, it just looks like hotel packaging. That was $22. The other choices, I already said that, never mind. Take that out. Next thing in here I was actually pretty excited about was from Joy Dravecki, I think. And it was this ring that's really cute. And by the way, not adjustable. I kind of started to try to push on it and I heard a crunch, so I hope I didn't ruin it. But my hands are very bad to display things on, but that's what the ring looks like. I got wrinkly knuckles. There you go. And you can just see the other knuckles. Almost said uncles. Joy Dravecki. It's group C, and it is a $75 ring. It says it's adjustable. Okay, but it made crunching noises, so I just stopped. It says it fits sizes ring sizes 6 to 8, and I think this finger is about a 6. And I mean, it goes over my knuckle, but it's still kind of loose. $75. Wow. The other choices were a hair mask, the seagrass toasters. I were tempted to get that, but I just got coasters in my Cos box, so I was like, I don't need that many coasters. I don't drink that much, and I don't have people over, so don't need coasters. A reversible bucket hat. Looks like it's for a 2-year-old. And it's $85. A super eye serum. I had a lot of eye serums. Okay, that was it on that. There was a lot of beauty skincare this time around. Next thing in here I got because I was kind of like, I don't like any of the other choices, or they didn't stand out to me. Maybe one does now, but I'm still okay with this because I'm trying to get my beauty area situated. This is a bad picture. The Sorbus Cosmetic Organizer case. And these cases, like, I usually get mine off of Amazon. I know TJ Maxx and Home Goods sells a lot of them too, but they can be pretty pricey. Like, where's this one? 4A. Yeah, they're saying that this is a $30 makeup organizer. Never. I think it does have a cute little daisy design though. All mine are just always clear. One time I got a neat kind of see-through pink one from Target for like $4. The other choices were a facial cleansing gel, a cleansing bar. They must think that coming out of winter, we are very dirty. The hair scarf bundle, that is something that I was more kind of like, that I wouldn't mind, but I'm okay with this. Grown Alchemist body cream and Elemis papaya enzyme peel. I have one of those and I'm currently trying to go through it. 2 more things in there. I feel like there was a lot of things in this box this time. I don't know if it's because like the ball and the stretchy thing, that was technically one, but seemed like a lot. This is Be Your Incredible Self Nails Incorporated London nail polish. This is in the shade Mayfair Lane. I don't know why they do this. I know in like right now, and it still smells like fingernail polish. Like right now in this video and other things, I've actually had my nails done, but most of the time I don't take the time to do my nails. This is a very pretty color. The one thing is that I think dark colors look better on my pale skin, but it is very pretty. Like it looks like expensive fingernail polish, and it is. I mean, it's $15. I don't pay that much for fingernail polish, especially whenever you don't use it very much anymore. The last thing in here is the Tech Candy UV sanitizer. Okay, this you can put practically like anything in this as far as I know, and like your cell phone, clean the germs off of that. These got really big during the COVID thing. I mean, that's still happening, but I mean, that's when they got kind of popular. It says kills up to 99% of common germs in just 5 minutes. Is COVID a common germ? Emits radiation at 254 nm UVC, a level shown in scientific research to be effective against certain viruses and bacteria. Again, COVID? UVC lights, UVC technology are widely used to kill bacteria and other microorganisms. I guess different places have been using like those big UVC lights to kill germs and fight off COVID germs. So, this is what it looks like. I'm not exactly sure what this little thing, why this is like this. Do not open lid while in operation. And it opens like this. There's a charger right here. There's a place for batteries too, so I guess you can either charge it or put batteries in it. There's a little tiniest pamphlet ever. Oh, so you can either put batteries in it for cordless cleaning, or you can put this in on there and use it like plugged in cleaning. It'll automatically shut off in 5 minutes. Don't ever let it shine in your eyes. It alters the DNA of germs, viruses, mold, and bacteria so that they are not able to reproduce. So my thoughts there are don't get too close to it. Okay. That sounded weird. And 1F was $60. Surprised it's not more than that. Why are there like 3 little star things? 3 stars says shown in lab, testing to kill 99.9% of staph, E. coli, and salmonella. And it was $60. I think I said that, which is not bad because I think some of them I've seen are like $100. So other thing you could have got was a duffel bag, $150. Oh, that matches that baby hat. A moisturizer. That's where you got the planter. Sunburst Solar Rose. What are those? Strap on this tiny... Oh, it was a watch. I love watches. I love the look of watches. I have a whole bunch of cheap watches that look more expensive than they actually are. But I wear my Apple Watch and I don't want to lose the calories, like my record, to wear those watches. But that watch was $105. There was the tray. Now I'm like, I wish I would have got that too. And Milk Makeup face mask and face serum. An umbrella. And a packing cubes, which I already got packing cubes from them whenever I got like a second box before. So my total box, my box total comes to $315. I am going to add in the 2 extra things that I got just to show how much everything I got for a fraction of the cost. So that was $405.49. Overall, spring box, It was a good box. I don't know why here lately, just haven't been terribly excited for Fabfitfun. I've been more excited for Cosbox. On my Fabfitfuns, I'm like really excited whenever I see the spoilers, and then whenever I get them, I'm not like terribly pleased. I mean, I'm happy and everything. I'm not going to cancel or whatnot. I just bought another year. I think it's maybe because like some of this stuff I'm saving until like I use it. Like probably like the planter and the bag. Those are just things that I don't use currently in my life, but I want to use at a later time. So I'm going to get a whole bunch of joy whenever I get to use the things that I don't get to use yet. So yes, I have a couple codes I'll put in there for like the, what was it called? Hello Fresh, if that's the right name, and the $15 off your first box. First come, first serve. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. I hope the lighting was okay. I got a new little light thing. I got a new lens, so it's more wide angle and you can see things. So have a blessed day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.